Hi, my name is Rich Hio.
Hi, I'm Bonsu Shet.
Hi, my name is Alex Thomas.
Hi, I'm Christine Weaver.
Penn State University has more than 40,000 undergraduate students. With in-state students paying about 5% of their tuition towards these fees and out-of-state students paying around 2%. Let's see if these students actually know how much of their tuition is going to these fees.
10%, maybe a little less?
Like 30.
Probably 50 to 60%.
Probably like 10%, maybe?
40%.
I really didn't know before then.
5%.
With tuition prices of approximately $14,000 to $20,000 a year, students share the same non-academic fees, the facility, activity, and IT fees. How often do you use the library and for what purpose?
I probably go to the library like 3 to 4 times a week, but I usually just use the tables and desk and stuff.
Yeah, I actually use the library quite a bit, mostly for movies and stuff, and media tech also.
Once a month.
Yes. I go to the library probably twice a week.
Not enough.
I haven't been there yet this semester.
I probably check out, I check out a lot of movies through the library because they have a huge selection which people don't know about.
Most of the students that we interviewed rarely use the library for any purpose. Those students that do use the library seem to use it as a study space rather than an actual research facility. For every good purchase, the value at which an individual assigns to that good must be greater than or equal to the cost of that good in order to avoid deadweight loss. In short, paying for the use of facilities and not actually using them is an example of deadweight loss. For instance, if students don't value the use of the library or any similar facilities, there is a complete deadweight loss of the $50 facility fee. Do you attend any student program events, such as the Hub Movie Nights, concerts, or any of the ground floor late night events?
I haven't gone there much this semester, but I've gone there before. It was a lot of fun.
Once or twice a week.
I've walked through Hub late night and probably picked up some free stuff as I rolled through to go out to the parties where real fun happens.
No, actually I don't ever really know what's going on campus because I live off campus.
So I don't know, I used to go more often. Probably, I go to the movie almost every weekend.
I painted a picture frame last weekend, and I painted a little box that I don't know what to do with like months ago, right at the beginning of the year. And I go to the movies here in the Hub usually every week on Sunday nights just because they're free, so that's about it.
Wait, did he just say free? These movies are not free by any means. Even if he goes to one movie a weekend for the entire semester, he will still be paying $4.35 for each movie. Yet another example of deadweight loss is shown by the scarce amount of students that attend the activities paid for by the $74 activity fee. Our last example of deadweight loss comes from the students who don't take advantage of the facilities paid for by their IT fee.
Yeah, I use the computer labs a lot because I run out of paper in my apartment, so I have to go.
Anytime I need to fill something out, I do that.
Printing their 100 free pages actually costs $2.22 for each page.
Okay. Hi, my name is Rich Hio. I was the director and editor of this film. I basically just thought of a lot of different shots with ideas from everybody else, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hi, I'm Bonsu Shet, and I was the head research person for this presentation of ours. And I helped finding out the statistics, and I also helped out with the interviews.
Hi, my name is Alex Thomas. I'm the producer, the assistant in filming. I helped out with being the liaison between all the group members and getting emails and all the meeting times set up, and helped Rich film the project.
Hi, I'm Christine Lieber, and I was the narrator of the film, and I was also the assistant researcher, so I helped sponsor look some stuff up for the project.
Thank you.
That's pretty much it. Yep, bye.